to the Anyword workshop. I'm Jenna, a content marketing manager here at Anyword, and today we're going to explore Anyword's editor. Hey Anyworders, I'm on Anyword, and today we're going to explore Anyword's editor. So this is really cool and simple to use, and there are so many different tools to check out, from ads, website, social copy, emails, SMS, e-commerce, and so much more. So today I'm looking to generate copy for my customized travel mug, and I'm going to start out here with the landing page copy. So I'm just going to select landing page right here. And then you're going to put in your brand or product name and your product description. Awesome. So here's one variation of the copy that the AI generated for me. And now I'm going to look through this and see what I want to keep, what I want to delete. And I can continue to generate landing page copy as many times as I want and as many variations as I want. So I'm actually going to generate some more right here. And then I'm going to go through it and choose my favorite elements, and then I'm going to continue to generate copy for different tools. Cool, so here are some other copy variations that Anyword generated for us for our landing page. You'll see that our first variation is here, and then our second variation starts under this line here. All right, so now you can just edit your copy now as much as you want. So out of all these copy variations, I actually really like this one right here. So I'm going to copy and paste this one, and I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to delete this one. And for this next asset right here, I really like how this one emphasizes the convenience of the travel mug, but this one emphasizes the style. So I'm going to combine both of those elements, and I'm going to take this sentence here. I'm going to put that as my first thing right here. And then I think I'm going to replace the sentence with the one down here. So I'm going to copy and paste this one as well. And I'm going to put that right here. I actually want an exclamation point right here. All right, now I want to generate some more copy that goes into more detail about my product. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to select the Ada copywriting framework, and I'm going to generate 3 different copy variations for that. All right, awesome. So here are the 3 different copy variations that the AI generated for us. And again, I'm going to go ahead and edit and choose what I want to keep or delete. I actually really like the second variation, so I'm going to get rid of the first and the third. And I want to see how this copy would look on my landing page before getting into the benefits and features. So I think I'm going to try putting it right here. I'm actually thinking to use this elsewhere, so I'm going to delete it here. And I have it here, so I think I'm going to use it elsewhere. Keep in mind you can continue to edit and tweak any of your copy. You can also change the format. You can bold anything, italicize, or turn any copy into a headline as well. And that's it. Enjoy using Anyword's editor.